Welcome back to another episode. Today we have a Breville Cafe Roma that was brought to us by Ryan. Issue being that it didn't seem to be heating, and it was suspected that maybe it was a faulty fuse. So we opened it up, and I didn't put the top back on just so that we can show what the issue was. It's fairly simple. What got unplugged were these two bits here. So this is what allows the heating element to heat up. So that was unplugged. So yeah, we just tightened it up, scrubbed any dirt that was on it, and plugged it back in. And it is working good as it ever was. So let's pull a shot and see how it looks. We might have put a bit too much grounds inside, but nonetheless, you can feel the heat. You can feel the heat from the top. Still, nice crema building up. It's looking good. Working good as new. And that'll do it. So if you like our videos and want to see more like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.